Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing the using every color in a palette challenge. I'm going to be using the NYX Ultimate Shadow Palettes, the colorful one. I drew out a little map of what I'm planning to do, and we're just going to get into it. I'm going to do a cut crease and have more of the like reds, oranges up here, green and blue, and then underneath my eye do the lavender, purple, some pink. I'm going to start by putting down some Tarte Shape Tape as a base to make sure the colors show up nice and bright and everything's evened out. So I guess I'm just going to start with the upper lid. I'm going to start with the very lightest yellow that has some shimmer in it. And just put that right in the inner corner. Okay, next we're going to just use the same brush and go into the color right next to it that's more yellow-orange. And focus that more just on the top. And next I'm just going to take this clean brush, blend over that. So next I'm going to go in with the bright orange, which is this one, and just go in the middle of the crease. So I'm going to put some more of that yellow. Use this less crazy orange. Layer over that. I'm going to take this tiny brush to blend out these edges.
Oh.
Well, maybe I should zoom you in so you can actually see what I'm doing. Now that we're zoomed in, let's go to the red. I'm going to take this one on a flat brush. It's just the only red in the palette, this one. And I'm going to just... I feel like the trick to doing colors is just being patient. You're going to have to go back and forth to get the intensity that you want, but also have it blended enough. I'm going to go back in with that clean little blending brush and just get the edges again. I'm going to change it. So I'm actually going to put the purple, lilac, pink in this area instead and put the blues underneath, so then there's like that purple between the blue and red. So I'm going to use a little of Tarte Shape Tape and just put it on the back of my hand and use this like really thin, dirty brush. Okay, so now that we have these cut as evenly as possible, we're gonna go in with the purples and lavenders and stuff. I'm gonna start with this bright pink on the inside. And I'm actually gonna use this like super little tiny brush since it's gonna be in the inner corner. I'm gonna go in with this color. It's like hot pink. I think my favorite video that I've watched of someone doing this challenge is Raw Beauty Christy. She is the funniest beauty guru to me. She's just freaking hilarious and she knows how to laugh at herself. So that's why I wanted to do this. Next, we're gonna go with this more muted pink and a little bit bigger of a brush. If camera quality looks different, it's because my camera just died, so I'm filming on my phone instead. And I was just about to use this tiny little brush to put this right along the crease so I didn't mess up the nice clean cut we had going. Okay. Now I'm gonna go into this lilac color. I'm hungry. Now we're gonna go back to this purple color and put that right in between the pink and purple, since this is like kind of shimmery. A lot of the colors in this are like kind of shimmery, like not sparkly, not matte, just like satin almost. And I guess that's cool, but also it's kind of inconvenient, I feel.
Oh my gosh, this is taking forever.
Actually, all these colors look pretty matte, but like the red definitely has sparkles in it. And now we're gonna go in with this deep purple shade. I'm proud. I'm watching lots of drag tutorials. Maybe it's finally paying off. Maybe I've absorbed some of their skills. I'm gonna go in with the red though. Okay, whatever. Let's re-clean it up with concealer and then go in with the blues and greens. We're on the home stretch. Finally. Okay. It's not so bad. Finally, we're gonna go in with the last 6 shadows. Why are there 6 of them? Okay, so what we have left is this whole row of blues and then these 2 greens. So I think I'm gonna start with these and at the corner, and then go teal with some of this, and then have these like really blue on the outside. I think I'm gonna go in with some of this matte darker green, this one, in the corner. I want to go in with one of my fluffier brushes. I'm gonna go in with that teal shade. I'm out of makeup wipes. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the teal shimmery shade right next to it. It looks a little bit darker. I think I'm gonna do this one closer, like right here, and then finish the wing off with the matte blue. Nice. Last but not least, we're gonna go in. We're gonna go in with this aqua shade on this little tiny brush and go right along. I'll take it. Okay, like I said, I'm just gonna touch up the colors here one more time. I'm gonna go with that pink. I think this dark freaking purple is my least favorite shade in this entire palette, but it's like we're pretty good to go. Oh, I don't have a highlighty color for my brow bone. I guess I could use yellow, but I feel like that'll mess it up. We'll use Becca. Okay. Don't have face makeup on. I'm not planning on putting any on. It's just going to be coming off in a second anyway. So we'll just put on a little bit of concealer. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm going to put, what is this? MAC in Extreme Dimension 3D Black Lash. Okay, well, I think I'm gonna take some pictures like this, just in case lashes don't go well, and then I'll be back with lashes on. So guys, this is the finished eye look using all 16 colors from the NYX Vivid Brights Ultimate Palettes. And thank you so much for watching.